Good evening, everyone. We'll be starting in a minute or so.
Good evening, everyone.
Minutes and then you can start, I believe.
Hello, everyone.
Good morning. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. As you all know, we are here just to discuss inserting mathematics and creating sections. In brief, I just say I'm myself a mathematics teacher and Google certified educator. So without wasting time, let us just start our topic. Inserting mathematics, as all are discussing in the group, this is very much true. We are going to discuss Hypatia. Hypatia, which was earlier just called Hypatia, and now it is updated, and updated version is called Hypatia Create. Earlier its logo was this, and I'm using it almost 1.5 years back since lockdown. Now its logo is this. Hypatia Create is the app which works in 3 Google apps itself: Google Form, Google Docs, Google Slides, and it is basically a third party app which we will insert in these 3 as an add-on. Add-on section is there in each app. What is add-on? It is a third party app which very well work with the Google tools itself. If you want to add it to all the 3 apps together, you can directly go to workspace.google.com/marketplace/app. Let me just click on this and show you how will it be. I think you all are watching Hypatia Create. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Hypatia Create.
Yes.
If you, I have already installed it. If you install from here, it will ask for some permissions. You just have to give the permissions, and it will work with all the 3 documents: Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Forms. And from the app itself, let me just show you. Sir, my form is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
I have shared the complete screen so that you will not have any problem. Yes. These 3 dots you might have seen. Here, add-ons are there. We will click on this. Please mute your mic. Everyone, please mute your mic.
Neelam, ma'am,
Yes.
can you mute your mic? Neelam Raheja, ma'am, thank you.
This is the Hypatia Create. It is already installed in my Google Form. You can install from here, and it will ask some 2-3 permissions. You are just to give them, and I myself is using from 1.5 years. There is no glitch which disturb my system, so it is very comfortable to use. You can download it without any fear. It is already downloaded. After download, how will you use? You will use from here. You can see add-ons are written here. We will click on this, and here is Hypatia Create. It is showing help. We are to insert math. Sometimes it works like this. We are just to close it, and we are to refresh our window. The same icon has appeared again. And now when we open it, you can see insert math. Basically, we will insert math from here. I know application speaks louder than the theory. So I'm not to speak much about Hypatia Create. I just want to show you insertion so that you can understand each and every tips and tricks I want to share with you all. So I have brought some questions. Inserting those, we will you will understand each and every part we want to use. Let me just create again. Sir, my form is visible? I think now there is no hurdle because I am sharing my full screen.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. I just want to insert the question, factorize the quadratic equation. So what I will do, I will open this add-on icon, Hypatia Create, insert maths. This is the pop-up. Yes, you can see here in the beginning we are just to close this window. Yes, you are watching these symbols here. These are all toolboxes we are to use. This is algebra tools. This is trigonometric tools, calculus, algebra. These are just symbols we are to use. These are Greek letters we are to use. These are arrows, symbols and accents. Vector accents are here. And these are units. Then brackets. Then matrices, tables, dots, cases. And then, yes, this is the background. If we don't want white background, we can choose any background from here. We can select and it will be that of that color. But I don't like much any other color. I like only white. I will keep it as such. From here, you can change the size of your text. It is, if you want in percentage, if you are habitual of Word and you want from here a comfortable size, I am very much comfortable in 24 and I will keep it as 150%. I am comfortable in this mode. From here, we can put any tool, but in working, I will tell you some tips from where you can quickly put the tools from below toolbox. That will I come later. One thing I just want to show, I just want to write factorize a quadratic equation. Just see the space carefully. You can see, is it working properly? Is it writing properly? Yes, please.
No, ma'am.
No.
T is missing.
No, because this window actually works in two modes, text mode and mass mode. At present, I just want to type a word, simple text. I will click on this T button. It is now green, so I can write simple text. When it is blue, I can type mass. I just want to type factorize, so I have kept it in green, factorize. After that, I will bring mass mode here. If it is blue, that means mass mode. In mass mode, we can easily work as we are working in any Google document, any Word document. You all might have known that how we insert mass from there. Equation word is there in Google Slides, Google Words and PPT also, from where we can put. But I want to write a quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, it will work same as we do there. We don't want to go in power section. We can directly type from our keyboard itself, x caret 2 right minus 5x plus 6. That all I have typed from my keyboard. This question I want to insert in Google form, but I have written in Hypatia. Now, how to insert this there? It is not so that it will automatically go there. It is not so that I have to copy and paste there. It will go there just as an image. So, we are to create link for that image from here. You can see here, link is copied. I have to close this window. I have to come this portion. Please, there is a voice. Mute yourself, please. I have to click on this image portion. And image there will be inserted as a URL. Most of you might have working on code.cox. It works very much like that. But in CodeCox, we go to some other web page. From here, it is on the same page. Hypatia will be on the same page. We are pasting that link here. And this is the image. We are to insert this image. And it is very much here now. I think it is very simple to understand. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
We all
Yes,
teachers are very much used to say, is it clear, as we do in classes. Please excuse me if I ask again and again.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how did you have the exponent there, x square? How did you write
Exponent,
it?
I have just used the keyboard. I have not used that's tips and tricks I am saying. Keyboard we can use as much we can. For quadratic equation, I have just used keyboard. For power also we can use keyboard. For underscore also we can use keyboard. Let me just show you this again. Just see. Now again I have to open Hypatia. Hypatia, again I am opening. Again I am inserting. It is taking 2-3 seconds for me to open this. Do you think it is tedious to open again and again?
It's all right, ma'am. It's okay.
There is a trick for that also. You are watching this left, this square type icon. Is it
Yes,
visible to all? We
Yes,
are
ma'am.
just to click it. It is now shortened. It will save much time of us. If we want to insert at least 20 questions, we can easily do in 30 minutes. I have seen it myself. We can, in fact, I teach 11th and 12th. We can do for that itself. In 30 minutes, we can create 20 questions. If we use all these tips, I am going to say. We can open here. We can again close. If we come to here, we don't have to go here again and again. We just open from it. Even the size we can adjust. In this triangle, if we open, this is the small one. This is the medium one. This is the largest one. I am habitual of keeping largest one, so I am opening this. And now the tip number 2. What is the tip? Suppose I want to write the same type of question. Generally what we do, we create a chapter test or a unit test in which similar type of questions were there, similar type of tools were we have to use. Then where to go? Not to write again. We are to go in previous maths. In previous maths, there are almost 7-8 last type questions here. We have just typed one question, so it is showing 1. I have to click here. If I want to change it, I just go to there. It is already in maths mode. I can edit this. Suppose this is 2x square plus 3x plus 2. I have changed it. But insertion will take the same time. And that is also not much if you are habitual of it. Create link. And now I will not close it. I will just minimize it. Just minimize it. I will create new question. I will come on here image. I will click on here by URL. Pasting the link. Inserting the image. And it is again here. It is again here. Okay, I hope these 2 tips are clear to everyone. Minimize and maximize from here and use the previous maths. Use the previous math. Suppose next question I am just telling you first 2 question in which we don't need these tools. We don't need these tools. I want to write the question, solve the inequality. Solve the inequality. So I will go to text mode, solve the inequality. I will go back to math mode. Again, I don't need this x plus y less than equal to 6. Everything I am typing from my keyboard. So these symbols are very much here. You can see there are these symbols. But we don't need to go there if we can type that from our keyboard. Again, create link. Minimize it. Create a new question. Come to this image. By URL. Paste the link. Insert image. And it is very much here. and don't think it is coming as an image, so we cannot edit it. We can again go back to there. We can choose the previous math. We can correct it if there is some error. We can correct it anytime. Just it will take 1 or 2 seconds, and it's my experience. I am telling you, I can create 20 question in half an hour for 11-12 classes. Where is their integral, derivative, etc. is there. I can create from there. By URL again, pasting the link, inserting the image, and it is very much here. These are
How did
two.
you write the less than or equal to? That equal less than sign I can see in the keyboard.
Ma'am, you just type less than first, then equal to. It will automatically come as in mass mode. You might have typed in Word or in Google Doc. There, if you type using equation, then it will automatically work. Less than or equal to. I am typing both symbols.
Okay.
And in mass mode, it will take this form itself.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me just insert a question on matrices. I have to write some text here. You can type the text here in the Google form itself also, but I am habitual of writing complete question in image form, so I use it only. Yes. Find the inverse of the matrix. This is the text. Now I want to bring mass mode, and I want new line also. I will enter in my keyboard, and it is asking me where to align. I generally align at left. It will align here. Now I have to insert a matrix. Matrix 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose I am inserting. You are watching this bracket. We can use this bracket. We can use this array. But now comes the tip number 3. These toolboxes we are to use minimum, because there are toolboxes here itself. If I have to make a test on matrices only, I have to use matrices again and again. I have to use algebra symbol again and again. I can bring these symbols. You can see these symbols and these symbols together in down. In this down page, I can open this. How? We are just to click on this gearbox. We are to show toolbox. You can see by default it is coming whichever is chosen there. I can again go there. I can choose my toolbox. For a particular work, we can choose our toolbox. At present, I want to work on algebra. So I am clicking on algebra. You can see algebra tools are all here. We are not to open from here again and again. We can quickly use from here. I have to use matrix now. Which type of matrix? How many arrows? How many columns? It is asking. I have to insert a 2 by 2 matrix. I have to click on insert. By default, sorry, I have kept my arrow here. That's why it is coming here. I have to bring here. Then I will choose. Yes, insert. It will come here. By default, entries are 0, 0, 0. We have to change it. Then we are simply to move our keyboard right, left arrows. Bring there. Delete the items which is already written. I think it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
It is very much good that we can choose toolbox from here. Again, create link. Please mute yourself. Minimize the window. Create new question. Come to image. By URL. Paste the link. Insert image. Answer also we can again put from this. If we want to choose the answer also, we can choose here. But I am not wasting time in that. I just want to tell different type of questions right now. Yes, let me just insert one integration question now. Again, I am opening Hypatia. Again, I am writing text. Integrate. Again, mass mode I want. And now, integration in calculus. So, I am choosing another toolbox, that is calculus. Now, you can see calculus symbols will come here. All symbols will come here. Whatever we want to use, we can use from here. I want to use integration symbol. This is automatically coming to lower limit. 0 I have to choose. Pi I have to choose from Greek letters itself. Pi. Now sine square x, though it is in trigonometry, though it is here, I can use my keyboard itself. Sine I am typing from keyboard. Caret I am using. Power it is showing. I am putting square. Right arrow I am using from keyboard. X I am writing. Again I have to write dx. I found it very comfortable to use keyboard as much as we can. It is so simple now. Again create link. Minimize it. New question. Image insertion. By URL. Paste it here. Insert image. It is the calculus portion. Yes, let me just take one vector equation now. One more feature I want to show. Suppose I want to make a question of vectors in which there is difference of two vectors, sum of two vectors, and product or dot product of two vectors. So two vectors I want to duplicate again and again. There is one more feature I want to use. So I am creating first one identity, one vector minus another vector, or one vector and just another vector. I am just using parentheses from my keyboard. I have to use vector tool now. I am again coming to gearbox. Choose toolbox. It is in the geometry, 3D geometry. You can see here arrow part, vector sign. We are putting it here. We are just to type A from the keyboard. Then another symbol I want, it comes here in the itself. I have to come to right. Then again this. Again BR I am typing from the keyboard. This is just two vectors I have taken in parentheses. I want to duplicate it because I want to write subtraction also. I want to write addition also. I want to write product also. So what I will do, I will come to here box again. You can see duplicate word here. I will press duplicate. I again want to duplicate it. I will again press it. 2 times it will duplicate. Now I will write my complete question. I will come in the starting. I want to write text. Show that minus sign here, dot sign here, plus sign here. All these signs I am putting from the keyboard itself. And cross there is not in keyboard. So cross I have to choose from the symbol itself. I will choose from the symbol it. Duplicate tool you can also use very much writing for this purpose.
Ma'am, for cross we can type capital X from the keyboard.
Capital X will not look like that in the same way. But we can type. I don't
Hello,
like
madam.
that.
I have a
Yes.
question.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Can we type the document in the Word form and then copy it in this and then it will work? Like if you have to type.
Yes, ma'am. We can do, but not all equations work properly. We can do.
Because I tried once, it came as a bracket symbol was coming and
No,
all that. Like
it will
was
not
giving-
work smoothly.
Yeah.
Most of the things will come here, but not work smoothly.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Actually, we can type the mathematics by another apps also. I'm interested in such thing when student should able to type the maths. Or if the short answer question, because it is work for the MCQ type question only, isn't it? So we will type.
Actually, when we give short answer to the students, there is differentiation in a gap, in a slash. Everything takes different answer. We have to put so many answers there for checking.
Okay.
I avoid that because in the beginning of the lockdown last year, I have given all type of questions to my student in Google form. I really have to keep 99 answer in one question. So I avoid giving short answer question there. Because even for a single dot, writing small letter, capital letter, it takes all as a different answer. So I have to put all the answer there.
That means we have to use for the MCQ type pattern
No,
question.
you can give short answer. There is a choice file type answer. Student can click the photo of their answer and they can upload. That can work properly.
Okay, ma'am. But
one more question, ma'am. Sorry to
Yeah,
disturb you. One more question.
just a minute, ma'am. Here is sir option. Yeah, file upload. This file upload. In question type, we can give file upload. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You please ask your question.
Ma'am, which one is better, MS Microsoft Forms or Google Forms?
Ma'am, frankly speaking, I have not worked on MS Forms. I myself want to know this.
Okay, thank you.
But I myself is using Google Form.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Let me just check if there is any other math I want to tell. But let me just show you all the toolboxes first. You can yourself see all things will be covered here. Recent, whatever symbols I have used recent, all will come here in the down. Next, algebra is there. Basics. Basic symbols which we can use from the keyboard also, but square root, pi, these all are not in keyboard. So we have to use calculus. I have already shown. Statistic symbol are also there. Conditional, probability, these all are here. Logic is there. These symbols of logic, and then trigonometry. Trigonometry also we can use. And yes, if any doubt in inserting maths, please ask, because then we will move to another section, that is section based answer. Very much discussed in the group also.
No, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I don't have a question, but I just want to give one suggestion.
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
what I do is in typing, these symbols are available as symbols in Google Docs, like for simple equations. So when you insert those symbols, know that those symbols exponents get easily copy pasted in Google Forms. That happens. So it becomes very
From
easy.
Google Docs, ma'am has asked from Word.
From
Word,
Google Docs, like the simple questions like factorize and all, where only exponents are involved and suffix, prefer, superscripts are involved, you can take it from Google Docs. That is only one. That is what I've been doing. Of course, matrices and determinants will not work there. That time you need to use this add-on only. It was
Thanks,
a very
ma'am.
nice
Thanks.
tool.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah.
If you use it once, I myself has experience. I can type 20 question in just half an hour.
Yeah.
The 11, 12 question.
I was having a look at it. It was really good.
Let me just share. Yes, ma'am.
You are typing the arrows and all for the vectors using the keyboard, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What were you doing to bring the keyboard to the, like, was it you wanted other accent box or something like that?
Which arrow exactly you are saying, ma'am?
Means like A bar, B bar we are writing. Or
No. A bar, B bar we have written from the geometry itself, ma'am.
From geometry you are using?
Yes, it is here.
Okay, fine.
It is the geometry part. And in fact, if we want to change the accent, we can come to here. It will bring all the accents here.
Okay. Okay.
Let me just show you the table
If we have
also.
to put unit vectors like I cap, J cap, and all, so the symbol of that is different. So that's what I was asking.
Yes, all that we can use from here. This is in geometry.
Okay.
Let me just show you inserting table also. Suppose I have to give a question, complete the table. If fx, sorry, I have to type in math mode. Fx is equal to x square. Enter. Left align. Table we will insert from here. It is the table. I want 2 rows. I want 6 columns, suppose. Insert. It is very easy to type here also. X, Y, 0, 1. Suppose I am giving the values of X and I want students to write the values of Y. This is the same. Very easy to create. Create link. Then again minimize. Create new question. Same way, come to image by URL and pasting the link here. Insert image.
One more thing, ma'am. When
Yes.
we are having a school ID domain, we cannot always add on use these add-ons. So
But
is there any-
your school can permit you, ma'am.
Okay.
In fact, we have no such school account. I am working in a government type school. They have not given us any tool. All things we can do in our own. It is all free.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Will you be
ma'am.
able to tell us how to download it? I'm not able to download
Yes,
that.
again.
And
Let me just tell
can we
you.
work out with it in Microsoft Forms? Means once we have downloaded it, can we work out within Microsoft Forms also?
Ma'am, I have not worked any time in Microsoft Forms. You can try yourself, please.
Oh.
I am not using that. Yes, ma'am, just see how to download. 3 dots here.
What did you open first? I have not.
Google
from the
Form.
beginning-
Google Form itself. If you are to download just for an app, you are just to click on this more button. There is add-ons.
Okay.
You are to click here. Whatever feature you want to search, you can just type here. Timer, etc. All are here. It is taking time. Hypatia create. It is already installed. Otherwise, you can just click on it. It will show. At present, it will show uninstall because already installed. It will show install here and just 2-3 permission. It will ask for you. You just give
Is
the
it a
permission.
free? Is it a free?
Free, ma'am.
Okay.
I have first used Equatio, but Equatio is free just for 1 month.
Okay.
And after that, we need a school account, and we don't have any school account, so I have come back to here, Hypatia.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please guide how to write 0.33 bar as a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion?
Let me just try. I have not tried because I am not teaching any junior class. Let me just try. 0.33 bar. We can bring this symbol. I hope it is written.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other question from inserting maths? Then we are coming to the creating section.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if it is 0.7, then 3 bar. Bar is only on 3, not on
Ma'am,
7.
we can
0.7.
bring any time here.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thanks.
Simply.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
ma'am.
me.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
this is being shown on Google Forms. I hope the same thing works on Google Docs too, ma'am. Isn't it? In
Yes,
Google
ma'am.
Docs,
Google
ma'am,
Docs
okay.
and Google Slides. In all 3, this will
Okay.
work. For that, I have
There
shown
are-
you the link. Workspace. Let me just show
Yes.
you again that link. I will share the link in the group. I will share the link in the group from where you can download for all the 3 together. Google Slide,
All right.
Google Forms, and Google Docs. In all 3, it will work.
Ma'am, how do you type the exponents from the keyboard? That arrow that
Let me just show you again, ma'am. Exponent and subscript. Both we can type. I am just typing X and caret. Caret we are already using in mobiles for power, if you know.
Okay,
Cap type symbol.
Yeah, got it.
For
Six,
that,
six.
it will come here.
Number
2.
6 के ऊपर होता है जो keyboard.
Yes.
That's
And for underscore, we are just to type, suppose I am to write X underscore, I will type from the again 1. Underscore we will use for subscript, and for power we will use caret. I hope it is clear, ma'am.
What is caret, ma'am? I didn't get you. Caret.
Ma'am, cap like symbol is there in keyboard.
The symbol above 6, ma'am.
Downward V, ma'am.
Okay. Got it.
Downward V.
Okay.
And what about the subscript?
Subscript underscore.
Underscore. Okay, fine.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Shall we move to the another section based?
Yes, ma'am.
Section based, I am just taking a simple demo. Suppose we are 10-15 families and we want to go for a trip, and we have no time to call each and everyone and take so much opinion from everyone. We are just creating a form where you want to go and how, and some more questions suppose I want to ask. Where you wish to visit. First question is this: where you wish to visit. I'm writing this question. Now I want everyone will choose a different answer, and for that answer they will go to different section. What I have to do, I will first write the answer. Suppose I am giving a choice Amritsar. Next I am giving the choice Kerala. 2 choices. I am taking the minimum. I will then show you the 6 maths I have discussed in the group. After that, I will create section. From where to create section, there is the toolbar actually. This is the section, add section. A section is created. Because I am giving 2 options, so I have to create 2 sections. First section is this. First, my option is Amritsar. I am giving this as a title, Amritsar itself. I have to create another section. It will come down. I am giving it the name Kerala. How to go to this section? If a person will choose Amritsar, he will go to directly this. I want this. What to do? I will come back again to my question. This 3 dots, I will click on it. You can see go to section based on answer. Is it visible? I hope it is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
We will click on it and it will show here. It will by default show us continue to next section, but we don't want to continue next section only because after section this is this. For Amritsar it will be okay, but for Kerala we don't want to go this, we want to go this. So we will choose section for all, and for this I have to click on this triangle. Go to section Amritsar I am clicking, and for Kerala I am clicking on this triangle. Go to section Kerala I am clicking. Now automatically they will go to this section. Let me just show you again. I am clicking on this. It is giving me option of all the section. Writing Amritsar and Kerala earlier is the benefit that we can easily choose the section where we want the person to take. For Amritsar we want to take to Amritsar. For Kerala we want to take to the section Kerala. So this is again I have
And
changed.
this can be used for internal choice questions also.
Yes, I will show you, ma'am, how I have created. I will show you. Let me just show you how it will work. But beside these 2 sections we have created, we have chosen the answer. Suppose I want to give question here. For Amritsar, I am giving the question. How to go? How to go? By car, by tempo traveler. In groups, we generally go by train. And suppose again I want to repeat such question for this. I'm just duplicating it. I am bringing it down with Kerala. I am changing its option. It is misbehaving right now. Let me just check. Yes. By car, I am changing by flight. By tempo traveler, I am keeping as such.
Ma'am, how did you copy these?
There is a symbol in downwards. This is for copy.
Okay, copy.
And by keeping our arrow on this 6 dots, sorry,
Okay.
you can see we can move any question type. Yes. One more setting we require for section based. After Amritsar and choosing everything, suppose I am giving 2 more, 3 question, etc. We want the person to submit. You can see here it is just written continue to next section. After that we want submit. So we are to click on this triangle. We are to click on submit. Otherwise the person will go to Kerala also. But we don't want. We want after Amritsar he will submit. So we are to change this setting also. We are keeping it in submit form. Let me just show its demo.
Something at this point.
Preview. I'm choosing Amritsar. Next, how to go by car, submit. If not Amritsar, Kerala, next, by flight, submit.
Ma'am, I have to ask something at this point.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, suppose we have created section A is as we know that we are having options between 2 sections in some of the subjects in 12. So if we have to, a student can choose both of them and we have to select the best of the marks. How it can be done using a form?
Ma'am, best marks we can do from the Google Sheet itself.
Okay,
As you all
response
know,
sheet.
response sheets we get as in Google Sheet form. There we can do. Let me just show you. Okay. I have opened that also. I have done for query, one of the query. You can see.
Okay.
This is actually a demo of Google Sheets I have done with some other group. I have created a result sheet for 11th class. English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Suppose we just want to add the best 4 subjects. This formula I have used. I hope it is equal to some product. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Maximum of the.
Yes, maximum. In bracket, large. I have to, let me just write here again so that you will understand easily. I am writing equal. Every formula will start with equal. Sum.
Okay.
It is giving me option of some product I am choosing. I now want large number. So I am again using one more thing, that is large. It is giving me the suggestion large. I have to choose the array. This is my array I want to choose. And how many? I want top 4. So I have to put a comma. Then bracket start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then close. Every bracket I have to close. Enter.
Okay. So after getting the response.
Yes, in sheets we can do it. From responses itself we can't do.
can you share this formula for us with us?
Yes, I will share in the group itself. Let me just show you the 6 maths. Any
Hello,
other
ma'am.
query for section based?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please help how to insert subdivision questions for case study based questions? Case study based questions, subdivisions are there, no? Sub questions.
Ma'am, that you can create in section itself. One case study you can create in one section and second case study in second section.
Okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, this is the 6 maths I have shared in the group. General things we want from the student name, class, roll number. Then the compulsory question. Then for each optional type question, I have to create 3 sections. for each question. I'm repeating, for each optional question, I have to create 3 sections. In first, I will put all the questions I'm giving, 2 questions I'm giving, so for 2 questions. And in second section, I am putting answers for first question. And in third section, I am putting answer for second part. You can see here, it is section based answer. Go to section 4A, this. Go to section 5, answer 4B. In this way, you can put it. Fourth question I have put in option. Fifth question I have put in option. You can create likewise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, suppose we have to attempt any 16 out of given 20.
Ma'am, you can do in response sheet itself.
Only in the response sheet.
Yes. Not from here.
Okay. Not from here. Okay. Thank you. ma'am.
If we have the given an internal choice in the first question that we have to create 2 sections, and now we want to have one more set of questions or another set of questions. So shall we write go to section after submitting? Shall we create? Then we go to the section 4.
No, ma'am. Just see my form, please, clearly. Fourth question, I am giving option. Here it is option. I am keeping it as continue to next section. For this question, they will go to this section. For this question, they will go to this section.
Correct.
Suppose these 2 sections are covered. After that, I want one more question they have to attempt. I am keeping on another section. You can see the 5th question is there. I am keeping here. Go to section 5. I am choosing that question itself. From downwards, you are also to choose. From here, you are also to do. Whether they have to submit or they have to go to some other section.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you just elaborate how to find out that from the response sheet that first 16 if we have to select and student has attempted all 20?
First 16 and
if the child has attempted all 20 and 16 were to be attempted.
Suppose these are 6.
Right.
If we want empty 1 to left, because if students are not attempting that, then their marks should be 0.
Right.
Right? Then we can give the choice. Let me just type. Sum ifs.
Mark there.
It is coming here. Sum ifs, range. Range I have to choose. It itself is giving criteria. Criteria I have to choose. Suppose I am choosing not 0, I want to count. Greater than equal to 0.
Okay.
Then close it. You can see 0 is left from here. 217. It was already total there. I have just used this.
Ma'am, just one clarification here. In Google Forms, the responses will not show us marks there. No, it will show only the answers there. Like
Yes, ma'am. You are right. Then we have to create ourselves the sheet.
Actually, Meena ma'am, the marks of the answers are also coming. There is an option of downloading it as CSV. I have tried that. It gives you the answer, the question, as well as the marks of the question also.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, how can we do that? How can we do that?
CSV
What is
file.
CSV? What is CSV, by the way?
Pardon, ma'am. Pardon, please.
Ma'am, just see. This is the response sheet.
No, no, ma'am. The Excel sheet ke samne wale jo 3 dots. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. So
Yes.
it shows you download
Yes.
responses CVS.
Yes.
So when you download that, you get the question answer as well as the marks of that question.
That's great.
That's great, ma'am.
That's
Thank you,
something
ma'am.
new that we learned.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
so much.
Welcome, welcome, ma'am.
Any other question from section base, please?
Ma'am, actually, I'm not having the question from the section base. Hello, ma'am. I'm Ravinder
Yes.
Singh, ma'am, from MLA.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, if I created some Google form and I want to copy some question from that Google form to another new Google form, and then how I can do it, ma'am? Is it
Okay, sir. There is very less time. Let me just show you. Okay.
Insert question is a choice option there.
This is the import portion.
Import question.
When you click on this, it will show you all the Google forms there in your drive. You can choose any one, and if you choose, suppose I am choosing this one, and it will show each and every question here. Whatever
Okay, okay,
question
okay.
I have to copy, I will select that and that will come here.
Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am.
sir?
Got it, ma'am.
Just
Thank you,
one
ma'am.
query.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just one query for mine also.
Yes.
Ma'am, as we are having offline and online option for the children, so can we create the question paper in the Google form, and then for the offline children we can convert it into Word? Means can we change from Google form to the Word document?
Ma'am, there is an option of PDF downloading. You can click
Yes, by
here,
PDF downloading it can be done.
print you can take from here.
From where PDF to download?
Yeah, these 3 dots.
Okay.
Click on this, print.
Okay.
For print, you will click and it will ask you some options. You can download as a
Ma'am.
PDF from there.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
I think time is crossing the limits. Most of you might have to leave. Just 2 minutes quiz is there. Just 2 minutes quiz. Please click on the first link in the chat box, and there is a Menti link where you can give the response for today's session. And the last one is the most important for all those who want the participation certificate. Please click
Ma'am,
on
the
that
quiz is
also.
showing invalid code.
Invalid code.
yes, ma'am. Invalid code is.
Okay, just click the Menti. I am trying. It is opening, ma'am. It is opening, ma'am. I have tried myself. I will share the quiz in Google form in the group. No issue.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what I'd like to is lot of webinars and all the sessions we have been attending, and they go on describing about the usage and all. Ma'am, what I like is you quickly went on to what you really needed without wasting any much time. This is what is actually needed.
Thank
Maybe
you,
because
ma'am.
it is a trait of our maths teachers, we have a sort of mentality, why going for all this unwanted discussion, come to the point. But ma'am, you did that. You very quickly came to the point, and this is what we really look forward to for any session for that matter, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Session was wonderful, ma'am. But I missed the starting, ma'am, due to the school meeting, ma'am.
I will share the video. I will share the video. Actually, there were 400 registration. I will share the video in the group.
Actually, ma'am, at the same time, ma'am, the other meeting of school scheduled, and that's why late.
No issue, sir. I will share. I will share. The purpose
ma'am,
is
but
to
whatever-
just
whatever-
share our learning.
Whatever I heard and whatever query I was having, ma'am, means it was what resolved, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What is this Menti, madam?
This is your 1 or 2 words feedback for the session, ma'am.
I filled, madam.
Thank you.
That I am seeing for the first time.
Okay, this is Mentimeter actually. Again, an app. We can create quizzes also there. We can create just feedback form from here. You will find so many videos on that in YouTube.
Okay, ma'am. For the revision purpose, no. For revision, which will be more useful?
Revision of
revision for the revision purpose once we complete our chapters, no. For revising the chapters, for preparation of the exams.
Actually, ma'am, I share MCQs with my students as much I can. At present, only that is required. I'm creating my own quizzes and I'm sharing with students. In fact, I have my channel, Conquer Mathematics is the channel. I'm sharing every mathematics there, and quizzes are there in the description box.
You use GeoGebra, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I will take a session on GeoGebra also in under AIEF.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Very soon I will plan that.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Very useful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, madam. Good evening, madam. This is Yuvraj from Tamil Nadu, madam.
Good evening,
the
sir.
Session was very wonderful. Good
Thank
evening.
you, sir.
This
Thank
is the session. And one more thing, I am also in that group what you are giving in the WhatsApp group, no, the Conquer Mathematics. The students also asking the doubts. Sometimes I also solve clarifying the doubts also as a teacher, and also I am also getting the information what you are sharing from the group, ma'am. That is very useful for me also now.
Okay, very nice to hear, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, from that I am also getting lot of things, ma'am. Actually, very much useful for me also.
Thank
ma'am.
you, sir. Thank you. My pleasure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, and even I am working as a PGD Max. So meanwhile any doubt means shall I put a doubt through the WhatsApp, ma'am?
Sure, sir. That is created only for that purpose. You can yourself see I am not sharing much things there. That is for the students' doubt purpose only.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
you are from which place?
Not getting your voice, ma'am.
You are from which place, ma'am?
I'm from Delhi itself. I have not shared my slides completely. I have given my brief introduction there. I will share my slide in the group if possible. I will share my slide there. I'm from Delhi itself, ma'am. I'm PGT Mathematics.
Which school, ma'am?
HMDAV.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining.